Hi guys, today we're unboxing the Deepcool AG620 tower cooler. This specifically is the white version with ARGB LEDs, but there is also a black version with regular fans. So inside the box you will see another smaller box which includes the accessories, and the cooler itself is cushioned with some foam. There is a slight difference in the look compared to the AK620, which is a little bit more expensive than this one. So let's unbox the accessories. Here you can find a quick installation guide, a backplate for mounting to the motherboard, as well as mounting brackets both for AMD and Intel processors. Also, there is some thermal paste that is in a plastic bag. For comparison, the AK620 comes with a thermal paste that is in a plastic tube and is reusable, and also has a dedicated tool for fastening the mounting screws. To mount the tower cooler, you need to remove the fan that is in the middle. When you lift it up, you will see two mounting screws which are attached to the mounting brackets, which should be already attached to the motherboard. There is also a fan splitter included in the box in case you need to connect both fans into the same header. The same can be applied to the ARGB header because they have one male and one female headers. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more interesting videos. See you soon.